Okay, Mommy.
Bakit nandito tong tablet? Di ba sinabi ko sa'yo that you can only use this for school purposes?
Pero, Mommy, ginagamit ko lang naman po yan kapag bored po ako eh. Tsaka po, pinapanood ko po yung mga favorite shows ko.
Di ba sinabi ko sa'yo na bawal sa'yo ang nagpupuyat? Dapat nagpapahinga ka. Do you know what chronic sleep deprivation can do to your body? Pwede kang magkaroon ng high blood pressure, pwede kang ma-stroke, diabetes, and so on and so forth. Ano bang pinapanood mo, ha? Family drama, romantic movies. Muki, anak, hindi mo dapat pinapanood yung mga ganyang bagay. Isang beses pa kitang mahuli na nanonood ng mga ganito, kukunin ko na ang tablet mo. I'm telling you this because I don't want you to get your hopes up. Ayokong isipin mo na balang araw mangyayari din sa'yo yung mga bagay na pinapanood mo. Sa kondisyon mo, you'll never be normal. And you'll never find someone who will love you. And let's just say that you do. Trust me, that someone will leave you dahil iisipin niya, isa kang pabigat. Naalagain ka. I will always be here for you. I will always take care of you. Lahat ng mga pangangailangan mo, ibibigay ko. And I will always love you and I will always try my best to understand you. Kaya tayong dalawa lang for the rest of our lives. Naiintindihan mo ba yun, anak?
Opo, Mommy.
You and me forever.